Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. Today I'm making a salad, alright? So I'm going to use two different colors of sweet potato. So let's get started, but before we get started, please don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe on my videos, alright? Thank you. I'm gonna peel my sweet potatoes, alright? And then I'm gonna do my beets, alright? I'll cut my sweet potatoes now. I'm gonna cut my beets now. And here's my beets. So what I did, I washed my beets and then I dried them with a towel, so it's not gonna bleed as much. Okay, I'll do my sweet potatoes. Put a bit of salt to get the taste. A tip of black pepper, just for flavor. I have paprika. I'll just put a tip of paprika in it because the beets need a little bit more taste. Orange sweet potato. And I have my orange sweet potato. Just want to make sure. I have some olive oil spray. I'm gonna just spray them. And I'm gonna bake it. I'm gonna bake them and then turn them on broil and get it a little bit dry, okay? And so while the oven is already on 350, so I'm gonna do it on 350 and then I'm gonna put it on boil for a little bit, all right? I'm gonna use this to make my salad. What I have here, I just put the salad. I did like 5 ounces of this spinach, alright? So I have 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. I have lemon. I have maple maple syrup. I will use 1 tablespoon of maple syrup because you have the sweet potato. I will put a bit of salt. So my beets and everything is all cooled down. So what I have now, I have my grape feta. But I have hemp parts. And then I also have a little bit of this resin just in case. So I have parsley here. So here's my salad, it's all done. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. And of course, this is considered a healthy meal. Alright, so the salad can work for 2, 3 people, even 4. Alright? And happy Mother's Day.